Like, what is wrong with you?
No one's in the water. Relax.
Me?
I've been down here my whole fucking life. I live here.
Yo, you get close, man.
What are you gonna do to me?
Yo,
what are you gonna do to me?
Oh,
yeah?
Back up. Why are you in space? Back up.
Keep it on camera.
Back it up.
I'm being harassed by a bunch of black men here.
Wow.
Some black men. Get away from me. Get away
Yo,
from me.
you get away.
Hello.
Wow.
Is this your police department? Okay. Now,
Wow.
I have people trying to put a boat in the water that is illegal. I have a boat down here. I have legal right to put my boat in the water. They do not.
I do know that. Why are you worried about us?
What's your name, sir?
Yeah, why are we bothering you, bro?
What's your name, sir?
You mad at life?
We weren't going to put the boat in the water. You don't know that. You have no evidence for that. We're hanging out. How do you know that?
Excuse me? Well, they came down here to sit on a boat in the parking lot, apparently.
Yeah, but how do you know we're putting in the water? How do you know that?
Park? You own the park?
Who said we're putting the boat in the water? No one said that. We're hanging out.
Fucking loser.
What's your name, sir? What's your name? What's your name?
My name is God.
God, okay.
God.
What's your,
Yeah, right.
G-O-D.
what's your last name?
God looks this color, brother.
The nerve of this guy.
Put the boat in the water.
No, we're not. Where's your evidence? Who said that? No one said that.
We snuck in.
And they got the boat in here.
You're a weirdo, bro.
So I'm a weird.
You mad at life?
Dude, I remember my
We got you on camera, a bunch of black guys, right? Got your license plate and
A
everything.
bunch of black guys are harassing me. Yes.
You're harassing me.
Harassing me.
Okay.
White lives matter too.
Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Thank you for that. You're going viral.
Whatever.
You're going viral. You're going
Any
viral.
life matters. Any life